What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am sitting in a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. It's from North Carolina. The truck is here this morning to get a 4-inch Cognito Elite lift kit. This is with Elka shocks. I've only done this kit one time before, and it was actually the first Cognito kit that we ever filmed for a truck like this, was the Elka series, the Elite. We have the kit here. We have 37 1250/20 Toyo Open Country RT Pro tires going on it, and we're going to do some suspension max torsion keys. This is going to be like an in and out kind of deal. One day, hopefully install. This is Memorial Day weekend. As soon as this truck's done, we're on the road, so it should be done by 6 today. Stay tuned. I'm about to get out and show you what the truck looks like. So whenever I pull the ticket to go film the video for the trucks like this one's not my sale, this is Leo's sale. So I have to pull the invoice and kind of go through the ticket before I film the video so I don't sound like a dummy when I'm talking about it. And the year of the truck said 2023 on it. And I got out and I'm like, hold on. They didn't make an Ultimate in 23. They started it in 24. And then I know that the only one year that they had this Vader Chrome piece on the Denali Ultimate was 24. So this must be a 2024 truck. Can't wait to get this one pulled in. We're going to do the 4-inch kit with the Elka shocks this time. Something a little bit different than usual. We're always doing the Fox 2.0 shocks on there. So something a little bit different for you to look at. And we're doing those 37 1250/20 Toyo Open Country RT Pro tires. My favorite tire to sell. This truck already has mud flap deletes on it. It wouldn't have had to have those for this tire fitment, but it does look cool on the truck. They did the whole 6-piece kit, it looks like. No mud flaps at all on this one. Stay tuned. We're about to pull it in, get this one started.
You're a rooter. Yeah, I'll be able to take it. Rest off.
Well, we have another one ready to go, same day. Like I said, we can only advertise 2 days, but we try every time to get it done the first day, and today is another good day where the customer's inside the office right now. It is 4:23 in the afternoon, and he's about to head back to North Carolina. I wanted to say I appreciate it again to the customers. I got to talk with them briefly a few minutes ago, and the truck looks phenomenal. It's, like I said, that 4-inch Cognito lift kit with the Elka shocks is second to none. It's amazing. The 37 1250/20 Toyo Open Country RT Pro tires in the on this truck are amazing. They look good. They fill out the fender well great. We had to do a little bit of trimming on the truck. That's it. It is pouring down, raining outside right now, and I'm dry, and I'm about to have to get out and get soaking wet to film it, so I'm going to try to make that a little bit quicker. So thanks for staying along with me, guys. This thing turned out perfect as usual. I can't hate on the rain too bad. It makes for perfect lighting and a perfect video. This white truck looks awesome. First thing I'll go over is the Cognito lift kit. Here's our cross member right here. It sets the axle angles next to perfect right here. That's awesome. This is the Elite kit, which has everything the Performance kit has and more. You're gonna get your Elka shocks right here, your reservoirs. You're gonna get your upper control arms with the alpha ball joint right there from Cognito, great. You're gonna get the steering braces, which are there. Lift kit looks amazing, like I said. The tires we went with are the 37 1250/20 Toyo Open Country RT Pro. Once again, these have a 45,000 mile warranty. They're a hybrid all-terrain and mud tire, basically a mixture of the two. The tire ride's super good and it's quiet. Toyo comes with a ride guarantee as well. If you don't like the way their tires ride within 45 days, they have a warranty to stand behind that. I'm going to attach a price quote for this job right after this clip if you guys are curious. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. My number is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire, McDonough, Georgia. Thanks for watching.